My yam and stew, fried fish and egg recipe I would love you to try. It's very delicious. So I have my fry pan on the fire, allow it to hot. Then I added my vegetable oil. So I added my sliced onions and dry shombo with my seasoning cube. Then I added my fish to fry. And see, my fish is well fried. I'm done with the fish, so I'm taking it out. So I added my mixed tomato, shombo, onions, pepper and tatashi on the fry pan. So I have to stir it very well. So I added my seasoning cube. My ginger powder. My garlic powder. And my curry powder. Added my sliced onions for the aroma. So I have to stir it very well. So I added my boiled egg and my fried fish. So I have to stir it very well. You can see my stew, yam and fried fish is ready to serve. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thumbs up. Thank you.